Hello everyone, this is Ramesh Raghavan, Director of Product Management Indoor for MaxLite. Today we're going to be talking about the BayMax Industrial High Bay Generation 2 BPHE2 series. The product comes in two sizes, the smaller 12-inch model that gives us a wattage selection between 90, 120 and 150 watt, and then a larger 14-inch model that goes from 180, 200 to 240 watt, giving us at the low end 12,000 lumens and at a high end over 30,000 lumens at 150 lumens per watt. This product is a DLC premium qualified product. Product also comes standard with CCT selection switches, that's right here, and the two of the models have also wattage selection switches, and we do have one 100 watt fixed wattage model with just the CCT selection switch. The product comes standard with 6-foot dimming cables and 6-foot power cables. A safety cable is included in the package and the instruction manual. The product also comes standard with a hook, that's a 1/2-inch hook that can be unscrewed to use 1/2-inch pipes, or with an additional accessory adapter gives us access for 3/4 inch pipes. There are additional accessories that gives us wire guard abilities, a shade, a reflector, drop lenses and so forth. There's plenty of accessories that gives it for use with many different applications. Now the best feature of this product, besides it being IP65 rated, is that it also has a CMAX patented controls ready port that allows us to pair it with a basic or network CMAX controls node right in the field, as it's a plug and play model that it can be decided at the field only. The product also has an IP65 rating for its use case in dust-proof environments, dusty environments and wet environments. It also is NSF listed for use in food service facilities. The product, given all of its certifications, can be used in gymnasiums, large warehouses, even manufacturing facilities that has a heavy dust or a wet area location, as well as food service facilities.